Brief, accurate and important news of today's Thursday. Sher Muhammad Abbas Tariqzai, the political deputy of the Minister of Foreign Affairs, said at the inauguration meeting of the new Kabul City National Project, "We have a serious request from the neighboring countries. If they cannot assist Afghanistan, then please let the Afghans to build their own country and lead a peaceful life." The Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs said at the inauguration ceremony of the new Kabul City project that the new city of Kabul will enjoy all the possibilities of the current era. Mullah Abdul Ghani brother Akhund added, "With the start of this project, many citizens will be given jobs and investors will be able to invest." All over the country, the 24th of Asad, 15th August has been celebrated by Afghans with magnificent ceremonies. The General Administration of Affairs says a house in Kabul was handed over to its original owner. Maulavi Ahmadullah Wasik has introduced today during a ceremony as the General Director of Physical Training and Sports to the employees of this department and began working. Honorable Wasik previously served as the General Director of National Radio and Television. As stated by the Ministry of National Defense that its technical team have repaired 56 military vehicles and several weapons in the second branch of the 221 motor of transportation. According to the Ministry of National Defense, the repaired vehicles include 27 tanks, 22 international and 7 ambulances. The Ministry of Labor and Social Affairs said the coming Saturday, which coincides with the 28th of the current month of the Asad, 19th August, is a general holiday in the overall country on the occasion of regaining independence.